In this video, I will show you how to get cheap tickets to Disneyland Paris. Start by going to the official Disneyland Paris website. Once you are there, hover your mouse over Book Now. You will see several options. If you only need park tickets, select Buy Disney Park Tickets. If you also need a hotel, select Book Hotel and Ticket Package. Now, you will have two options, dated and undated tickets. Dated tickets are cheaper and locked to a specific date. Undated tickets can be used on any day, including holidays, but you still need to reserve your spot in advance. These are only available for one-day visits. Once you click on Buy, a menu will open where you can choose the number of days. If you select one park, you will only be able to visit one park. There are two parks, Disneyland Park, which is the larger one, and Walt Disney Studios Park, which is smaller. If you only pick one park, Disneyland Park is the best option. However, I highly recommend getting a ticket for both parks, even if you only have one day. The smaller park has some unique rides you wouldn't want to miss. Next, choose the number of days. The more days you select, the cheaper the cost per day. Then, pick your visit date if you selected a dated ticket. On the calendar, you will notice that some days have lower prices, so choose the most affordable option if your dates are flexible. Now, select the number of adults and children. Kids aged 3 to 11 get a reduced price, while children under 3 can enter for free and do not need a ticket or reservation. Click Confirm Selection. You will now see some add-ons, such as meal plans or special experiences. If you're not interested, simply click Continue. After that, you need to create an account or sign in. Finally, fill in the details for all guests and complete the payment. That's it. You now have your tickets to Disneyland Paris at the best price. If this video was helpful, check out more travel tips. Thanks for watching.